YouTubers, if you have loose recycled pickets and you want to pressure wash them, I recommend you separate them, and anything that's rotten in the bottom, use your saw and cut that piece off. But before you actually do that, remove all your nails. And when you're removing your nails, throw them in a bucket or something. Don't just leave them everywhere, because you will get a flat, or if you have kids or yourself, you can get the nails stuck in your foot. And wear safety glasses or sunglasses, something. And your clothes will get dirty. So we just put them, they're loose. I already took off all the nails and cut any stuff that's rotten. But what we're doing is that we're gonna cut these in like half later, once they're up in a property that we have, and we're gonna put them all up and then cut it as they're already on there. And then the top piece, we're gonna put it, well, there's gonna be like a window, well, not really a window, but a piece that we're gonna do the design like, let me show you. Like this. So there's gonna be, we're saying it's a window, but it's like about this big from here to here, and we're gonna make that design in there, but a little bit smaller. And then the top piece is gonna, well, it's gonna have it like from like right here to right there. So these are, as you can see, we missed some, like, because this is rotted. The fence is gonna be probably like this tall, like right here. Things like right here, and then this part is the design. In this case, we're not gonna use this piece because it's rotted, so that will be chopped off. But on the ones that are good, like this one, we'll use this piece for the top part. But you can use these for, like, you know, right now that the shingles are so expensive, like $60, $70 for little stack, you can use this for your roofing. For your roofing. Let me show you something. I'm trying to find a thin board, because like, for example, you can cut this board in half. Look, it's already like cracked, and put it in your roof like that, you know, and the water won't go in. But I mean, you want to seal it, but I mean, the pickets take a lot of I mean, they have a lot of life in them still, you know. We have ours, and we always pressure washing them and painting them and doing all kinds of stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. But the important thing is to really cut them. Like, look, we missed this one. See how it's rotted? But we'll cut it before we put it up. I'll check them again. Yeah, but for the most part, they're good. So if you see any pickets out there, throw them, shoot, pick them up. Pick them up. They're good for even siding. If you do it on the siding, let me show you something. We're gonna pretend, okay? You see? It just stacks up. You just start from the bottom up, and there goes your siding right there. Why you gotta spend all that money? You know? I just wanted to share that, guys.